Hey everybody, Eric here, jumping on here today on September 4th with another video. I was on Facebook and I happened to see a post by the No Hate Campaign. They're responsible, most notable for going around the country in different cities and states, setting up photo shoots with people in white t-shirts with an NOH8, no hate, painting tattoos, saying with some things modeling no hate. And so they made a Facebook post about an hour ago saying Trump administration must restore 100 plus public health web pages on DEI and gender identity. And then in their comments, there was not a link. And so I did my due diligence, like I asked people to do, to make sure that this was a legitimate post. And so I looked at all the comments for the most part to see if I could find a comment that had a link to it, and it was not there. So I Googled it, and I found several items, but this particular one is from Fox News, that Trump administration settles lawsuit, agrees to restore deleted DEI gender health web pages. Removed content included CDC pages on LGBTQ plus youth and NIH, National Institutes of Health, Sexual and Gender Minority Research Office site. And again, you can see that this was published yesterday. And there's a video here that it's about 8 minutes long that you can review. But the information is here. A large Washington-based medical association announced Tuesday they had reached a settlement with the Trump administration requiring the restoration of dozens of public health web pages and data sets tied to diversity, equity, and inclusion, or DEI, and gender identity. The Department of Health and Human Services, or HHS, did not comment on the settlement, but told Fox News Digital it remains committed to its mission of removing radical gender and DEI ideology from federal programs subject to the applicable law to ensure taxpayer dollars deliver meaningful results for the American people. Okay, so it's your standard government response from Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s department. The medical association that actually sued regarding this was the Washington State Medical Association, and Doctors for America sued HHS and other agencies in May after the Trump administration, following executive orders in January, directed the removal of hundreds of web pages and data sets that referenced gender identity or diversity, equity, and inclusion, LGBTQ plus health, racism, vaccines, opioid use, and Biden-era abortion policies on federal health websites. So I will link this article in the description of this video, so you can go to the article yourself. Please like this video. It helps with the algorithm to get it out to more people. Share this video with other people so that they will know, yet again, that the Trump administration has lost in court. These websites have to be reactivated with all of that information. And, of course, they're probably going to try to skirt this like he always does. And so it will probably still climb the ladder through appeals courts and maybe all the way to the Supreme Court. It's not like they don't have enough to do. And the Supreme Court will be back, I believe, at the end of this month, and all eyes will be on them regarding the case against gay marriage. But that's not what this video is about at this time. So again, just to reiterate, the Trump administration lost their lawsuit regarding removing DEI and gender identity informational websites. from the CDC and the NHI websites, as well as other websites, due to the executive orders, which apparently were not lawful. Again, please like, please share, and if you're so inclined, because I know I haven't been doing this for a long time, I had system problems with the microphone, so I got a brand new microphone. It seems to be working perfectly. I also had to get new speakers so that I wouldn't get the feedback loop from the new microphone. And so now everything seems to be working fine. Now I'm learning how to edit my videos, which is why they're still so short. But anyway, take care, and I will see you on the next video. Enjoy your Thursday.